I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4 independent project 4 to 4. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, Java, C++ and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments, projects, simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam, final exam. Okay, I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, Mintap and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our project to solve it step by step. Okay, title of project Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4 independent project 4. Okay, now you can read this. Now independent project 4 to 4. Okay, zoom it and then I will read. Alert system has received contract data in the text file. You transform and import, sort and filter the data. You also create a pivot table. Okay, prepare a worksheet with subtotal and format related data as the Excel table. Okay, file needed LR4 XLS available from start file link, and then LR text4 text available from resources link. Completed project file name, your name, LR4 XLS. Basically in this question we will have to download this file from Mintap. Okay, Simnet website. Okay, you can download this file easily from your Simnet website. Okay, I have also downloaded this file from my Simnet website. You can see this my file LR4 Excel. Now skill covered in this project. I will cover this skill in this project. Format data in Excel table, then sort data in Excel table. Okay, then import a text file, then transform data in Power Query, and then sort data by multiple columns, and then add a calculated field in a table. Then create a pivot table, then format field in a pivot table, then use the subtotal command. Okay, step to complete this project. Mark the steps are checked when you completed them. Open the LR4 start file. If the workbook open in protected view, click the enable editing button so that you can modify it. The file view be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name to direct. Okay, to do structure and save it. Okay, you can see this constructs file and then ready to do so by your. Okay, question number 2 is that click the billable horse sheet tab and select cell A4. Okay, we will switch the billable horse worksheet. Okay, then click on cell A4. Now click the format as table button. Use light gray table style medium 11. Go to the insert tab. Go to the home tab. Okay, click the format as table button. Okay, use light gray table style medium 11. Okay, we will go to the table design and then apply table style, format as table button, and then apply light gray table style medium 1. Go to the medium style in the style group, click on format as table, go to the medium light gray medium style, light gray table style medium 11. Okay, this is good. Now question number 3 is that click the format as table button. Question number 4 is that select cell C6 and type the formula is equal to C5 plus 1 to add 1 to the date in the previous cell. Simply click on cell C6 and then we will type this formula C5 plus 1. Okay, we will go to the Excel workbook and then click on cell C6 and then we will type the formula C5 plus 1. Click on cell C6, press is equal to and then add a formula C5 plus 1 is equal to C5 plus 1. Then press enter. Okay, to add the date in the previous cell. Question 5 is that autofill the formula to the copy it to the row 51. Okay, autofill the formula to the copy to the row 51. Scroll down. Okay, autofill fill handle to the row 51. Now next question is question number 6. Type 5 add-on in cell E4 and press enter. Simply click on cell E4 and then we will type 5 add-on. Click on cell E4, press we will type 5 add-on. We will type here 5 add-on. You can see this. I have done this 0.5 add-on. Then press enter. Question number 7 is that build a formula in cell E5 to add 0.5 to the cell D5 and then press enter to copy the formula. Format result to display 2 decimal places and then apply all border. Okay, build a formula in cell E5. Click on cell E5 and then to add a 0.5 to cell D5. Okay, click on cell E5, press is equal to D5 plus 0.5. Okay, then press enter. Okay, to copy the formula, format result to display 2 decimal places and then apply all border. Go to the home tab in the number group. Okay, then apply 2 decimal places and then apply all border. Go to the number group, apply 2 decimal places. Okay, now we will go to the home tab in the font group, go to the border, apply all borders. Okay, this is good. Now question number 8 is that copy dates as values. Select cell C5. Cell G5 is reference to function cell F2. Then sort the column by date and newest to oldest. Because the date are calculated, the formula are wrong. The date that was originally in cell C5 sorted to row 51 and now has a relative reference to cell F48. Okay. Okay, select cell C5. Click cell C5 to references. Click on cell C5. Cell C5 is referenced into the 2D function cell F2. Go to the cell F2. Now sort the column by date is newest to oldest. Sort the column. We will select date column and then go to the home tab in the editing group. Click on sort and filter. Sort the column. Custom sort is date column, newest to oldest. Click on OK. Column will be sorted. Because the date are calculated, the formula are wrong. The date that was originally in cell C5 sorted to row 51 and now has a relative reference to cell F48. Point C is that click the undo button and select cell C5. The formulas are restored. Okay, click the undo button. Click the undo button. Simply click on undo button. Okay, and select cell C5. the formula are restored. Click on cell C5, the formula are restored. Now point D is that select cell C5 to C51. You can copy and paste replace the formula with the actual dates. Okay, we will select cell C5 to C51. You can copy. Now press command plus C to copy the range the clipboard C5 to C51. Now select C5 and then click arrow with the paste button. C5 to C51 and then arrow paste button. Okay, sort the table by product services ascending order. Okay, select product service column and then go to the editing group. In the sorter filter group, sort is ascending order. Now question number 10. Import data from a text file. Select the contract sheet tab and select cell A4. Select the contract sheet tab and then select cell A4. Now use the from text HC command to previous the LR text 4 text file download from the resources link in the import data window. We will go to the data tab in the get external data. Okay, from new query and from file from CSV from text file. Okay, and then import file where you saved in your PC. I have saved in this folder earlier text 4. Okay, text file will be imported. Now click on point C, click next to the next import wizard to move on the step 2. Click next in the text import wizard, then click next in the text import wizard, and after verifying tab is selected under delimiter, then click finish to close the text import wizard to import the data. Click on the click finish to close, load to, and then existent worksheet and then load it. Okay, click finish to close the text import wizard and import the data. We will close this. Click column C, the address column to select it, delete the column to remove it. Click column C to address the column and then remove this, delete this simply. Okay, now use command to select. Okay, the phone number column should be selected. If it not, select column C and then delete the column to remove the phone number data. Okay, the phone number column should be selected. Use command to select column D to E and then G and then delete, then remove the zip ID and first contact data from the worksheet. Okay, we will delete this and then delete column E and then delete column F. Okay, okay, then select cell A4 to E31 and click the format as table button. Use green table style medium 4 style. Note if you receive a message saying these selecting overlaps one or more external data range, click yes in the message box to convert the select to a table and remove all external connections. Okay, select cell A4 to E31 and then click format as table button. Use green table style medium 7. Okay, we will create a table using this range. You select this range and then go to the insert tab, format as table button, and then use green table medium style. Go to the table style group, format as table, and then go to the medium 7 style. Now moving on, next question is question number 11. Place a formula in a table, select cell F4, type fees as the header and then press enter. Okay, moving on, example, click on cell F4, we will type fees. Now select cell F5 and then build a formula to multiply the value in cell E5 by 225. Press is equal to E5 hours to date multiplied by 225 and then press enter. Okay. Now format the value in column F as currency with 0 decimal places. Go to the currency. Okay, as 0 decimal places. Click cell A5. Okay, you can see I have done 80% of this project. For remaining question and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, and many more online courses. Please reach me out for your courses. I will handle your complete course. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description. You can go to the description and you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments, project, simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my students. Thank you so much.